welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a pair of true wireless earbuds. This is the Boat AirDopes 433. And on the front of the packaging, we can look at how the product looks like, and we can also see a couple of highlights being mentioned, namely that this thing uses Bluetooth 5.0. It is rated for IPX4, water resistant. Then it has something called Auto Connect technology. And lastly, it offers about 16 hours of battery backup, that is 4 times the charge within the case. On the side, we have a little more branding on both sides rather. On the top, you have a little part of the packaging, and on the bottom, you have the manufacturer's contact information and package contents. On the back side of the packaging, we can see 4 more features being called out, namely that this thing has Stereo Plus technology. It offers 4 hours of audio bliss per charge, that's playback per charge, and that it can track up to 10 meters, that's the range of the true wireless earbuds, and it has stereo calling feature. And the last thing that's mentioned over here is that you can long press the button in order to activate your voice assistant on your smartphone, whichever phone that you might have connected to. So that's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So we've got a couple of things on the inside. There's obviously the true wireless earbuds within its case. Then we have a charging cable. Now this thing uses a USB Type-C interface, as you can see over here, and the cable is about 25 to 30 centimeters long. Then you have replacement earbuds of different sizes, hopefully. You usually get these in small and large size because the medium ones come pre-installed. Then you have a warranty card. Always read through the warranty card to understand exactly what is covered and for how long. Then there's a thank you note along with a few instructions that you should go through. They state you should read the FAQ card, that you should charge, perform a factory reset, and refer to the user manual for the overall features and product knowledge. Then you have a little user manual. Always go through the user manual to understand exactly how to use your product, what all features it has, and if at all there are any nuances or unique features that you're not aware of, all of that will be present in the user manual. And this is the FAQ card that they spoke of. Everything about common issues regarding earbuds, if you are new to the technology, that will be present over here. Then you have a little product brochure containing all the Boat products. So if you're interested in any other Boat product, you might end up finding that in this packaging or other documentation. And then there's a little sticker that says I'm a boat head. Nice play on words. The last thing happens to be your earbuds. So the case is quite easy to open and it snaps into place. Then you have the earbuds themselves, which easily pull out. The contacts are on the bottom. You can see the 2 gold contacts, and you'll have the prongs on the inside. On the bottom, you have what you call the Type-C interface for charging. And once you open and close it, you have indicator LEDs at the bottom. They're currently glowing in blue, as you can see, indicating that this thing is completely charged. That's it for the unboxing of the Boat AirDopes 433 True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.